This sticky rich malt loaf is packed with sweet squidgy dates which give it a deep, almost caramel-like flavour. And honestly, it's the kind of bake that feels a little bit nostalgic, a bit cosy and completely irresistible. We're starting with a bowl of all bran here, but don't use the brand version, go for the supermarket version as it sogs up better. So to those bran sticks, we're going to add in some strong tea and mix it together and then leave it for about 5 minutes to soften up. After about 5 minutes, stir it again and it should be lovely and soft and fairly smooth. Then we're going to add in the flour, baking powder, salt, raisins, chopped dates, I like to use medjool dates, sugar, some treacle and an egg. Stir it all together with a wooden spoon or a spatula, and then you're going to transfer it to the prepared loaf tin. We're going to prepare a 2-pound loaf tin by lining it with a loaf liner, and that will make the cake much easier to remove from the tin later. Now place in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes until an inserted skewer comes out clean. Then remove from the oven and leave it to cool in the tin for about 10 minutes. Then place it on a cooling rack to cool further. I like to serve it a little bit warm, spread with some salted butter so that butter melts into the cake. It's also great served cold, or you can warm individual slices in the microwave for 10 seconds.
That is some seriously good malt loaf.